Them tell me, say, well, Juma, them youth are not go hold your other, you know. Me say you're joking. From them in them mother home, all them areas. Remember that? Them now, you know, say, now no cuscus, now no siren, right? It's in a way.
Yeah, Jamaica would like this is what the branch is like. Marcus Garvey Day.
I see you to right mango, on the mango tree. I like it. Where the kitty man? I want to put in the funny meal now. Listen.
Yeah, Jamaica would like.
Chilam late to rest. Yes, I'll wait me the best. If the life in now is because I know that it's the best. I'm the propaganda that they African best. Yeah? You know, how would you? You have to cut it and slash, right? You know. Came over! I need to go in. Snap! I need to go in here. Came over!
Clap them again, you know. Yeah, man, clap them again, man. Alphabet drummers. Why, boy, I roll this up. I sing some tune. You love to say you play the last one, you know, because you see you start playing the good, you know, that's how we might deal with. He don't know when to stop. But he revive himself with the last tune, then I tell you, man, it's sweet. Sweet. Okay. So here we go. We are going to get a message from the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, Minister Oliver Babsy Grange, read by His Worship the Mayor, Michael Belnavis, Mayor of St. Anne's Bay.
MC for today's official event, and of course, social scientists.
Yeah, Jamaica would like. Support the vibes.
I have here a message for the Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment. These remarks are coming from the Minister of Culture, Gender, and Entertainment and Sport on the occasion of the IRFM's 28th annual Marcus Garvey tribute on the IRFM grounds today, August 18th, 2019. under the theme One Africa, One Nation. Allow me, Right Excellent Marcus Garvey, national hero on the occasion of his 132nd birthday. Let's hear it for Marcus Garvey. I also want to commend IRFM for the dedication to this very important cause of celebrating our first national hero, Marcus Garvey, for the past 28 years. I recognize all the artists, intellectuals, activists, and Buffalo soldiers who have signed up on this cause and for whom the celebration of Garvey resonates with our deepest desire for sustainable prosperity for African people here in Jamaica and scattered across the whole wide world.
Most of the herbs, man.
Must be promoted and celebrated at all times every time we come together like this and all people believe in that oneness. Oneness was the mantra of our national era. That the oneness was part of the vision of our people. He always declared, one God, one aim, one destiny. Energy of heart because it is restated as one love. Examine our system of justice and education, ensure that the delivery of justice and education do not marginalize our people. We are looking, for example, at the treatment of Rastafari children within the educational system, the teaching of Garvey, the national policy on nation language, patois, and as well as general importance, social and cultural re-engineering of peace, justice, and sustainable prosperity. Already, we have decriminalized the script as we know, even as we continue to promote new industries, sports and marijuana and ganja. And so, we welcome trade in all continents of Africa. We are committed to our position source of information.
Yeah, Jamaica good life.
Happy birthday.
Yes, sir, Jamaica good life. It's all the people in mind.
There is much work still to be done to build the prosperity of our people and engage peace and harmony in our relations. There is much still to be done in the education of our people, particularly of our young people, with respect to our African ancestry. You can expect much in this regard from the Ministerial of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. I close now with these words of the man himself, Marcus Garvey. He is satisfied with the of the human progress will not demonstrate our fitness as a people to exist alongside others. But when of our own initiative we strike out to build industries, government, and ultimately empires, then and only then will we as a race prove to our Creator and to man in general that we are capable of shaping our own destiny. Thank you, family. God bless you, Jamaica. Land
True, man.
Short conversation that I would have said something that would be of benefit to you in one way or another. We are one Africa, one people. And all over the hemisphere, in the diaspora, we find ourselves accumulated in large numbers. And even though we're in different places, different geographical spaces, and in different religions and different practices, we come from different social classes and we speak different dialects, we are one Africa. We are one people. In Brazil, there are 86,783,000 African people who speak Portuguese. In the United States of America, there are 45,020,000 African people who speak English. In Haiti, there are 8,900,000 African people who speak broken French or Creole. In the Dominican Republic, people who speak Spanish. In Colombia, there are 5 million African people. In France, there are 3.8 million African people. In Jamaica, there are getting close to 3 million African people. In England, there are 1.1 million African people. In Cuba and Italy, there are 1.1 million African people. And in Puerto Rico, there are 929,000 African people. In Peru, there are 875,000 African people. In Canada, there are 783,000 African people. In Ecuador, there are 680,000 African people. In Trinidad and Tobago, there are 700,000 African people. In Nicaragua, Holland, and China, there are each 500,000 African people. In Panama, there are 461,000 African people. In Barbados, there are 253,000 African people. In Bahamas and Guyana, there are close to 300,000 African people. In Paraguay, there are 222,000 of us. There are 200,000. And in other parts of the world, collectively, there are another 250,000 African people. But regardless of the language we speak or where we are from or how we got there, what our religion is, we are one Africa, one people, one nation, all of us together as a family. But we have to think like a family. We have to love one another, work with one another, put aside our differences because we are a family. And we have to pursue justice for all of our people, regardless of where they may be found or what their circumstances are, as an African people. Now, beloved family, I want to speak for a moment on one of our greatest pursuits as Africans in the Western Hemisphere, particularly in the Caribbean. And I want you to think deeply about what, because when we talk about reparations, sometimes we talk about money, but money is just one small part of the entire pursuit of the struggle and cause for reparations. And I want to give you, first of all, one example of how we are deceived by the economic order of Satan. Think about this. You have a hotel owned by Jenny, called Jenny's Hotel. And the tourist comes in and he puts $1,000 US on the table. And he says, I would like to rent a room for a night, but I want to see the rooms first, to see if it's up to my standard, and then if I'm satisfied, I will leave the money and I will rent the room. So he puts $1,000 down on the table at Jenny's Hotel. Jenny gets her worker to show the tourist the rooms because she owed $1,000 to her mechanic for a debt to get her car back. The mechanic takes the $1,000 and he takes it to his plumber because the mechanic owed the plumber $1,000 to fix his water in his home. The plumber takes the 75 down to, or from 5 billion, sorry, to reduce the world population from 5 billion people in 1975 down to 2 billion people by the year 2000. How is that possible? except there is a plan of genocide. In Grenada, from 1979 to 1983, the citizens and residents there did not have to lock their doors at night, did not have to worry about their children walking the street. Everyone came together to build each other's homes. There was such a love and passionate unity for the society and put aside all of their differences. And whereas we have to wait every 5 years to change the government under this system, Maurice Bishop used to come in a town hall just like this every week. And he used to ask the public, which of my government ministers are you dissatisfied with? Which one of them has not served you in the way that you should have? But then when we leave the month of March, we come into the month.
Yes. Say something for Jamaica good life. Say Jamaica good life, man. Out here. Say something for it.
Forward when a black man right now.
Sure.
Pakistan, and I see that representing it.
Yes, sir.
Love struggling. It's about time to repair.
Yes, sir.
Black man and black sisters, right, you know?
Yes, sir.
I cut it down to it, so we have to